If you have a gas heater, whether it's natural gas or LP, you have the most expensive kind of heater on the market. However, they're also the fastest, most effective heaters you can buy. With pool heaters, like most things, you get what you pay for. If your home and pool are plumbed for natural gas, the gas supply line will come directly from your house to the heater. Otherwise, we'll bury either a 250 or 500 gallon liquid propane tank in your yard and run the supply line from there. Gas tanks must be buried according to building codes and any property line setbacks, even if this means burying the tank in the front yard. Either way, the supply line will come into your heater from the left side, where you'll find the regulator valve. If you go out of town, we recommend turning off the gas at the valve. That way, if you forget to turn off your heater, you won't come home to a high gas bill or an empty tank. If we've buried an LP tank in your yard, you'll need to periodically check how much gas you have left. This gauge shows you how much LP gas you have left. The tank is considered full when the gauge reads 80%, and when it's empty, you won't be able to see the needle at all. Sometimes, the weather will cause dirt or mud to get into the dome, or even fill it with rainwater. Don't worry, everything's 100% waterproof. Just clean it out or scoop out the water and you're good to go. There's also a readout board on the heater. The normal display is BO, which stands for Board Override, and it just means that you're controlling the heater from the control panel mounted in your home. If the display reads IF, it stands for Ignition Failure. If you have an LP tank, it might mean you're out of gas. Also, check the regulator valve to make sure it wasn't accidentally closed. If you rule out a fuel supply problem, then there may be an issue with the ignition system. If this is the case, turn off the gas at the regulator valve and give us a call. Another common trouble code is HS. This indicates that there's some sort of water temperature sensor error. HS means that the temperature in your pool has exceeded your high limit. This can happen if the water valve to your heater gets shut off. It also means the remaining water in the heater will get as hot as 104 degrees and the heater will start to smoke. If this happens, restore the water supply to the heater as soon as possible. If you suspect the heater has been damaged, give us a call. You can learn about other trouble codes in the manual. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.